Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Absolutely Sha. Welcome to my channel. And if you are here, then you are either thinking about starting a lip gloss business, you've started a lip gloss business, or you just like looking at fun bomb videos like mine. No, but seriously, if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that each and every time I run that back. Hit the notification bell so that each and every time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So, by the title of this video, you know that I have attempted to make tinted lip gloss again, round two. So, before we get into the video, you're going to see me make my new tinted lip gloss collection. And by me saying new, then chances are you probably figured out that I finally got it to work and it turned out exactly how I wanted it to be. So if you would like to see how I make my tinted lip gloss, then stick around and get into this video.
All right, guys. So what you see me right now is already mixing up my mixture. So this is a bit of a lipstick base, and I am using polysobutene, I believe. Forgive me if I'm not saying that correctly, but I pretty much use a tablespoon of the lipstick base and I use a tablespoon of the polysobutene stuff. And what you see me doing is mixing it together right now. So this is pretty much the base of what I use to make the tinted lip gloss. Now, when you use like the Versus gel, when you're making just your regular clear lip gloss, is super thick. But as you can see, when you're mixing it together with the lipstick base, is very thin. So what you see me now is showing you one of the liquid color pigments that I am going to use to make my very first shade. I absolutely love how this come out. So I believe I used, oh my goodness, 1/4 of a teaspoon of liquid color pigment is what you see me putting into my mixture. So TKB had like samples of their color pigments, and I thought what better way to test out their color pigments is by buying like a sample pack. And I am absolutely in love with their sample pack. So I really do suggest investing into that if you want to test out color pigments. So what you see me doing now pretty much is mixing that liquid color pigment, mixing it in with the base mixture that I have, and yeah, I'm just making sure that I am spreading out the liquid color pigment evenly throughout the base. So in my opinion, I find that making tinted lip gloss, as far as me doing it this way, I find that is relatively easier than when you're making like your basic clear lip gloss. I mean, you do have to put in that elbow grease and you do have to, just stare and make sure that it's the consistency that you like. But overall, I find that making tinted lip gloss goes a little bit more quicker versus making your regular clear lip gloss. So yeah, so you pretty much just see me mixing it together. I really like the consistency of it. I would say my tinted lip gloss is on the looser side compared to my clear lip gloss. My clear lip gloss is like sort of somewhere in the middle where it's a little bit thick and is not thin, but it's just a really good consistency. My tinted lip gloss, as you can see, it's a little bit thinner, but it still has, excuse me, it still has a little bit of a thickness to it. Not too much thickness, but yeah, so pretty much I'm just mixing that in evenly. And yeah, I think it's pretty much good to go. So now this is the final product. I'm so sorry. I forgot to record me filling up the tube. But what you see me doing is putting the stoppers in. I ordered these particular tubes off of Amazon. I could have sworn it was from the previous, I guess, owner or shop on Amazon, but I struggle putting the stoppers in. But that's what that one looks like. And I believe the one you see me making right now is Batty, which is available right now on my website. So that is the first tinted lip gloss. And like I said, that shade is called Batty. So yeah, so I don't know. I had a hard time putting that stopper in. But yeah, so that is Batty. So now what you see me making is my tinted lip gloss shade number 2. So just like I did with my Batty lip gloss, I'm doing the same formula. So I have the lipstick base and I have the polyisobutene, and I'm mixing those two together. Like I said previously, I use a tablespoon of each, and I'm mixing it together until it's to a consistency that I like. I honestly think with these two in particular, mixing them together, I don't think there's like any other consistency that you can get It's kind of like when you feel like you've mixed it enough. I don't know. I don't know. I kind of just feel like it's just no matter what you do, everyone's going to have like this pretty much the same consistency if you use these two products together, if that makes sense. I feel like the consistency is pretty much going to be like what you see um, in this video, much less like when you're doing the lip gloss base. When you're using Versagel, everyone, you can sort of formulate that to whatever consistency you want. You can make it loose, you can make it thick, you can make it in between. But with these two particular products, the lipstick base and the polyisobutene, I feel like no matter what, it's going to come out to the consistency that you see here, if I make sense. I hope I do. But yeah, so I'm mixing that together really, really good. And yeah, I like I said, I think this is fairly easy to me. I find tinted lip gloss fairly easy to make. So I'll be quiet now if you just want to enjoy the mixing. You know what? Sorry. Now that I think about it, I guess with these two products, the lipstick base and the polyisobutene, I guess you could get it to a different consistency depending on how much you use of each. I just thought about that. So, like for me personally, I only use a tablespoon of the lipstick base and a tablespoon of the polyisobutene. So, if you use those exact measurements, then your base is going to look like what mine look like. So I guess, I mean, if you wanted a thicker tinted lip gloss consistency, then of course you would probably use a little bit more. So, okay, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you could make it to a consistency that you prefer. For me personally, I like the consistency of what I use, the measurements that I use. I don't necessarily want a thick tinted lip gloss. I rather just have my clear flavored lip glosses. I rather those be a little bit thicker than what my tinted lip glosses are. Okay, so now I'm showing you once again a TKB. liquid pigment, and this is going to be my Barbie. So just like I did with the first color liquid pigment, I believe I'm using again 1/4 of a teaspoon of the color liquid pigment, and I'm going to mix that in, make sure I spread it in very evenly throughout the base mixture, and it turns out to such a beautiful color. I really love it. I mean, look at that color. Is that not beautiful? I think that is so pretty. So yeah, so this is my Tinted Lip Gloss number 2. This shade is a Barbie, and again, this is available on my website to purchase right now. So if you want to get you some lip gloss, but you also want to have, you know, the actual shade of the color of the gloss to appear on your lips, then I highly suggest you shop with Lip Maven and you go ahead and you get the Barbie. So I think this is such a pretty color. I really love how it turned out. All right, and very quickly, that's what the Barbie looks like. Once again, I forgot to record myself filling up the tubes. I don't know what in the world was I thinking, but that very quick peep you saw was me showing you the Barbie shade. All right, so I actually started filming this one from the beginning. So that's the tablespoon of the lipstick base that you see me adding in. Um, and then you're also going to see me add in a tablespoon of the polysobutene, and I'm going to mix those two together. All right, so this is going to be shade number 3. This will be my last one. So I made 3 tinted lip glosses. And as you've seen me do from the beginning of this, I am mixing together the lipstick base and the polysobutene, mixing it together until it's that consistency that I like. All right, so I decided to speed this video up just a little bit. So what you see me doing now is that is shade number 3. This is going to be my baddie shade, which is a little bit more of a darker chocolate color than what you saw me do in the beginning, which was bougie. So the first shade you saw me do was bougie, which is a lighter brown. And this shade baddie is more of a darker brown. Personally, on me, bougie is like the nice, perfect nude. But yes, I'm adding in 1/4 of a teaspoon of the liquid pigment. And this is how beautiful that liquid pigment looks. So this is my baddie shade. So see how it's more of a darker chocolate brown. All right, and so now I am showing you what Baddie looks like, which is very, very beautiful. That's Barbie, and that is Bougie. So I call it that B collection, and this trio is available now for purchase.
All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching me make my tinted lip gloss. I really do enjoy making lip gloss. This is definitely a lifelong dream of mine. Like, I've always, for as long as I can remember, now I'm not going to even do that for as long as I can remember. I can say honestly, probably since like my very early 20s, which if I could go back in time, back into my 20s, girl. But anyway, so I can say since my early 20s, I've known that I wanted to be an entrepreneur. And although I'm having some really tough challenges in my life right now, I'm not taking my eye off the prize. That is still my goal, to be a full-time entrepreneur. Like, I want this to be my day-to-day job. I really do. And I'm speaking it into the universe. Like, I want this to be my full-time job. And I really do enjoy going into the lab and just like making these amazing products. So the final result of what my tinted lip gloss has turned it out to be, I'm so very happy and excited. So this one right here is Bougie. I'm actually wearing it right now. So this is what Bougie looks like. This is so pretty. So pretty. If you go to my website, I have lots of, not lots, but I have swatches of what the tinted lip glosses look like. So yes, they are available right now at lipmaven.com. Go check it out and buy you some tinted lip gloss. So this one right here is Bougie. And then you also seen, excuse me, you also see me make, this is Baddie. Baddie is a little bit darker. This is Baddie, this is Bougie. So Baddie is like your chocolate. Bougie is, you know, like a shade or two lighter. So Bougie, this is Baddie. And then you saw me make Barbie. So this is what Barbie looks like. Barbie is very, very cute. I love this color. So these are my 3 tinted lip glosses. They are available on lipmaven.com. Go ahead, get you some, get into it. So if you like your lip glosses, but you want a little bit more color to your lips, then these lip glosses are the exact lip glosses that you need in your collection. So what you waiting for, sis? Go grab you some Lip Maven tinted lip glosses. So I hope you all enjoyed watching my video today. I guess it was a DIY tinted lip gloss kind of video, not necessarily a tutorial, but if you wanted to like follow along and use what I use, then hey, go ahead and let me know how it turned out if you make you some tinted lip gloss. But yeah, so that is the end of this video. Like I said, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you beautiful people in my very next video. Bye.